In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can stop Facebook from listening to you. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, make sure to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be responding to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But if you notice that Facebook is specifically showing you ads based on stuff that you've talked about, that can obviously be pretty creepy and of course a major invasion of your privacy. Here's how you can go ahead and make sure that that doesn't happen anymore and completely restrict Facebook from listening to you throughout the day. The first thing you're going to want to do if you are in Facebook currently is actually swipe out of Facebook and open up the settings on your device. Now this is going to work whether you're on an Android or an iOS device, and just select the search bar and specifically search for the microphone settings from within your device. From within here, you're going to see every single app that actually has access to your microphone. Go ahead and find Facebook on the app and just tick it off just like so. It should automatically be turned on. Obviously, you don't want that. Tick it off and you'll be good to go. Now swipe out of the settings and reload into Facebook. And now when you load back in, they are no longer going to be able to see or hear what you're talking about and will no longer have any form of microphone access. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, remember you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.